In question letter D, we want to fill in the table to show the value of the jackpot each day. So some of these we already know from calculations that we've already done, and then some of them we'll need to figure out. So I'm going to start with Monday. I already knew that Monday the initial jackpot was $1,000, so I'm going to fill that in. Then in part A we calculated Tuesday. Tuesday was 1,100 or 1,100. Then in part B we calculated Wednesday. Wednesday was 1,210, so I'm going to fill that in. And now I'm out of information, so I need to do the rest. Now let's notice what we've done so far so that we can kind of keep the pattern going a little bit. You might want to consider having some scratch space available for this, just so you have something to look at for reference. But if you choose not to, that's obviously fine. You'll just kind of have to use your best judgment about how you can do this. If you want to use a calculator for this and just do all the work in a calculator, that's fine too. Thursday's jackpot is going to be taking whatever was in there Wednesday, 1210, plus 10% of 1210. So notice how I'm getting a little bit faster at calculating this. I'm now just doing this kind of as I say it. 10% was 0.10, of was multiply, and we repeat that same number, 1210. So I'm going to do that calculation quickly. I have 10%, 0.10, of multiply, 1210, that's 121. So I'll do 1210 plus 121, and that gives me 1331. That's my Thursday number. Then I'm going to repeat that for my Friday number. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the previous day, 1331, plus 10% of the previous day. So it gets a little repetitive. Now I have 10% of 1331. That's 133.1, which you can think of as 133 and 10 cents if you want to think of it as dollars and cents. So now when I do my official addition, I have 1331 plus 133.10. That gives me 1464.10, or 0.1, which is really 10 cents. So there's my Friday number. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing for Saturday. And if you kind of get the point, you don't have to keep watching this video. You can just do the remaining two on your own. But if you feel like you need my guidance, I'll walk you through the Saturday and the Sunday calculations as well. Saturday is going to be the previous day's jackpot, 1464 and 10 cents, plus 10% of the previous day's jackpot. So I'll do 0.10 times the previous day's jackpot, 1464.10. That's $146.41. So now I'll do $1,464.10 plus that amount. So 1464.10 plus 146.41 is 1610.51. Sunday is going to be the same thing. So by the time you get to Sunday, hopefully you can do this even without writing it down. You'll need to do 10% of the previous day. So 10% of what I just got. You'll need to add that to whatever you had the previous day, and that should give you your last amount. Now 1771.561 is obviously not a number of dollars and cents, so you might want to cut off that and round that last digit. That would be 56 cents. So there's my table. There's my whole jackpot situation for the whole week. Now, in question letter E, it says, why is this pattern not arithmetic, even though we were technically doing some adding? Arithmetic means that you're adding the same value each time. It felt like we were doing the same calculation each time, so why are they saying this is not arithmetic? I want you to think on that and see if you can answer question letter E on your own. In the next video, I'll answer question letter E in my own words, but see if you can spend some time thinking about that. Why is this not truly arithmetic, based on the definitions of arithmetic you've heard so far throughout this packet?